We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR release test questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 25. The table shows the total numbers of calories a person used while exercising. Which list shows only the dependent quantities from the table? X as inputs 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and Y as outputs 0, 267, 534, 801, 1068. The dependent quantities are Y, the outputs. Therefore, C is the correct answer. Question number 26. We're given this equation, x plus 5 less than or equal 25. Solve the equation resulting in x less than or equal 20. Therefore, G is the correct answer. Question number 27. There are 18 floors in a building. Each floor has the same number of offices. Altogether, there are 396 offices in the building. Which equation can be used to find F, the number of offices on each floor of this building? The keyword each floor means multiplication or division, hence A is incorrect. Option B, each floor has the same number of offices. There are 18 floors. Therefore, B is the correct answer. Question number 28. Which statement is true for a credit card, but not true for a debit card? Option F. A cardholder must use a personal identification number, PIN, when making purchases, which is not true for credit card. Option G. A cardholder will have money withdrawn from an associated checking account when making purchases. That is true for debit card, hence, this option is incorrect. Option H. A cardholder will be charged interest on a purchase unless the balance on the card is paid in full at the end of the billing period, which is true.